front of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to select while using the app and allow in the pop-up and then choose Home button. Now you need to select Settings, scroll down and click on App Management. Then select Default Apps and choose Home app. Over here you need to click on iOS Launcher, click on Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my REALME. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and choosing System 1 or tapping on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!